If this isn't fast enough, hit the brakes. Let me hit the window. Let me fly right through. If this isn't fast enough, make me look again at the way you move. Tell me what you'd have me do. Spin my wheels, jam a stick in the spokes, send me flying over bars. I can handle the journey with that steer in every corner that melts my stomach, tears me apart. It's real as real. Tell me life's a joke. They keep saying I'm not gaming, but what's there to gain? Losing is the name. Take my burden away. You came to save, and I'm arrogant enough to think I could do the same. I confess, I digress. I invested, I digested lives that were never meant for me. And I've realized the only way out is through. And I know it's where we begin that we're getting to.